to our YouTube video, where we'll be exploring 10 fascinating facts about Indonesian food. Get ready to sit back, relax, and enjoy this informative journey. Indonesia is known for its diverse and flavorful cuisine, influenced by various cultures and regions. So let's dive right in and discover some interesting tidbits about Indonesian food. Indonesian cuisine is rich in spices and herbs. From turmeric to lemongrass, these ingredients add depth and complexity to the dishes. Fact number 2. Rice is a staple in Indonesian cuisine. It is often served with various side dishes such as meat, vegetables, and sambal, a spicy chili sauce. Fact number 3. Satay is a popular Indonesian street food. These skewered and grilled meats are marinated in a flavorful sauce and served with peanut sauce for dipping. Fact number 4. Nasi goreng is Indonesia's national dish. This fried rice dish is made with a combination of ingredients like shrimp, chicken, and vegetables, creating a delicious and satisfying meal. Fact number 5. Rendang is a famous Indonesian dish known for its rich and aromatic flavors. This slow-cooked beef dish is simmered in coconut milk and a blend of spices, resulting in tender and flavorful meat. Fact number 6. Gado-gado is a traditional Indonesian salad made with a variety of vegetables, tofu, and boiled eggs. It is served with a peanut sauce dressing, adding a creamy and nutty flavor. Fact number 7. Sate Padang is a specialty from West Sumatra. It features beef or offal skewers cooked in a spicy and flavorful sauce, making it a must-try for spice lovers. Fact number 8. Soto is a popular Indonesian soup made with broth, meat, and vegetables. Each region in Indonesia has its own variation of this comforting and hearty dish. Fact number 9. Tempeh is a traditional Indonesian food made from fermented soybeans. It is a versatile ingredient used in various dishes, providing a rich source of protein. Fact number 10. Indonesian desserts are a treat for the taste buds. From sweet, sticky rice with coconut milk to fried bananas, these indulgent treats are the perfect way to end a meal. And there you have it, 10 fascinating facts about Indonesian food. We hope you enjoyed this journey through the flavors and culinary traditions of Indonesia. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Terima kasih.